Greetings, everyone, and welcome. This is Language Broker English Lesson 8.2. Today, we learn how to use the infinitive form of a verb. The infinitive form of a verb is used as a noun. Together, we will learn, memorize, and practice. So, when a verb does not describe an action, it can be used as a subject or object noun. To make the verb a noun, add the word to before the verb. Add to before the verb. Let's look at examples. Dance. Dance. To make the verb dance a noun, add to before the verb. To dance. To dance. To dance. Amy loves to dance. Amy loves to dance. Amy loves to dance. Do you remember the previous lesson on gerunds? If you do, then how would you say this sentence using the verb as a gerund? Amy loves dancing. That's right. Add ing to the end of the verb. But in this case, you would have to drop the E first. So it would be Amy loves dancing. Good job. If you did not see that lesson, go back to lesson 8.1. But let's continue with the to verb form. That is the infinitive form. Eat. Eat. To make eat a noun, add to before the verb. To eat. To eat. To eat. We like to eat out. We like to eat out. We like to eat out. Good job. Now let's look at listen. Listen. To make the verb listen a noun, add to before the verb. To listen. To listen. To listen. Pam likes to listen to stories. Pam likes to listen to stories. Pam likes to listen to stories. Play. Play. To make play a noun, add to before play. To play. To play. To play. They love to play football. They love to play football. They love to play football. Read. Read. To make the verb read a noun, add to before read. To read. To read. To read. To read is important. To read is important. To read is important. You can also say, reading is important. Reading is important. Reading is important. Once again, to learn how to use the ing form of a verb, see lesson 8.1. Let us continue. Run. Run. To make run a noun, add to before run. To run. To run. To run. Oliver hates to run in the morning. Oliver hates to run in the morning. Oliver hates to run in the morning. Swim. Swim. To make swim a noun, add to before swim. To swim. To swim. To swim. Anne loves to swim at the beach. Anne loves to swim at the beach. Anne loves to swim at the beach. Write. 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 To make write a noun, you guessed it, add to before write. To write. To write. To write. Randy wants to write her a note. Randy wants to write her a note. Randy wants to write her a note. Great job! You did a wonderful job. Now you know how to make a verb a noun by adding to before the verb. Please practice, practice, practice because I want to see you get better. That is all for today. Click like, click subscribe. Go to the next lesson. I will definitely see you again soon. Bye-bye. Take care.